Came in feeling really like I had a lot of feelings of resentment and like feeling stuck and like wondering what's even possible. Honestly, I was like, how can we change this? And
I was hesitant, but I said, yeah, let's do it. Let's just see what we can get out of this.
like we got married 6 years ago and had kids. They're now 2 and 4, and I feel like we lost our connection. Like we were just like ships passing in the night.
You know, we were just losing that connection. We weren't seeing each other. I felt like I wasn't showing up as a husband as I should.
Lots of frustration, like put on your shoes, put on your shoes, put on your... Oh my God. Invitation. Like there's a step-by-step gentle invitation that I found with this retreat, that there was a beautiful unfolding. And yeah, I think so much is possible. We just need to soften, and this gives us a framework for how. This retreat gave us a framework for how to soften.
This was very insightful. I learned a lot about myself, but I'm very confident, very optimistic about where we're going to go now. So I'm looking forward to our future now.
Oh, me too. Oh, yeah, I think anyone who wants to find more connection.
I think anybody will benefit from this, and I highly, highly suggest it. I mean, do it. Just do it. Yeah. Even if you don't think you need it, just do it, and you'll get so much out of it.